everyone, this is Kathrin Rein from Coconut Grove. I have a beautiful listing. I wanted you to take a look. It's a really great opportunity. The house is over 2,200 square feet and sits on an 8,000 square feet lot. So let's go take a look. So you have a quite large side yard here. This one is not fenced in. So the first thing I would do is push out the fence to include the whole yard space. So you have plenty of parking in front of the house. As you know, most homes here in Coconut Grove are $1 million and up. This house is only $699, so it's a really great opportunity. So here's where you got free land from the city. This used to be a service alley. They pushed the fence out. So the lot is actually bigger than the tax roll, so you get free land without paying taxes on it. The lot is now about 8,000 square feet. So this is the fence that I was talking about here that you can push out to make the backyard bigger. So again, an 8,000 square feet lot. And this property is only $699. So really great opportunity. What else? Let's see. So the house has new electric. The roof is about 2 years old. And the plumbing has been mostly updated. There's a few pipes left under the bathrooms that need to be changed, but it's really inexpensive because the house sits on a crawl space. So let's go inside. So you have this beautiful dining area here. Little office space or den. And we have real wood flooring. It's in really good condition. Your fireplace. And then you have a second living space, which is your family room. And this is, by the way, terrazzo flooring, really, really nice. And the tenant divided this space with this wall, but it's very easily removable, okay? So I just want you to have an open mind. So basically, this is how the space looks like if the wall is out. And he put a closet here. Okay, so you can take this out very easily to remove. Okay, so imagine it's like the whole length, this room. And then you have here your kitchen, which leads again to the dining room on the other side. You have off this family room, one of the bedrooms. It has new flooring and an updated bathroom. Oh, someone didn't close the toilet, so. Okay. And from here you also have access to the backyard. Okay, let me see. Okay, here we go. So you have plenty of room for a pool here, or on the other side. You can put a really nice big corner pool. All right, let me walk around here. One thing I also want to mention, the house has a home warranty, so the appliances are all covered. And here you have your storage room, and you also have the washer dryer in here. So you can access this from the backyard and from the parking area. So if you have like paddle boards or kayaks, you can store them in here and can access this room without walking through the whole house. Again, this house is a really, really great opportunity. It's 2,200 square feet and only $699. It's a real steal. So here we have now one of the bedrooms. So we basically have two master bedrooms. This is one of them because they're both more or less the same size. As you can see, very spacious. And then we have one of the bathrooms. It's directly in the bedroom with a shower. And then here you have your second bathroom for those two bedrooms. It's also a shower. Closet. This one is a really deep one, so you could also hang clothes in here if you wanted. And this is the second master, how I call it, because it has just the same size like the other one, maybe a tiny little bit smaller, but it also has its own bathroom. And then you have cedar closets. They painted them, but this is cedar wood. Okay. All windows are impact. The roof is 2 years old. So the house has really, really good bones. And the house is in North Coconut Grove, one of the hottest areas right now because you're only a few blocks to the water, does not require flood insurance. You have amazing schools in Coconut Grove. You're only 5 minutes from downtown. There's a children's park walking distance. It's a really, really fantastic location. The current owners love this house, but they had to relocate. So we're looking for a buyer for this beautiful home. If you know anyone that's interested, the house is $699. It's a great, great opportunity. Price is firm. If you want to come see the house, call us, text us, message us 305-735-6939, and you all make it a beautiful day.